So this helps in tracking your progress, and that is called self assessment. So if you're not having a good self assessment capability, you are not going to be a good designer.
देश के सबसे बड़े डिजाइन समुदाय में आपका स्वागत है। डीएडी परिवार का एक हिस्सा बनने के लिए आज ही रजिस्टर करें और डिजाइन जागरूकता अभियान के सभी साधनों का इस्तेमाल करें। वेलकम टू द इंडियाज बिगेस्ट डिजाइन कम्युनिटी। रजिस्टर ऑफिशियली टू बी अ डीएडी मेंबर and utilize all the resources of Design Awareness Drive.
Hello, Namaste and Jai Hind. Welcome to DAD Institute of Design, and this is Suraj Kumar from DAD Studios. So in this class, I will be teaching you about how to balance your sheet, how to start your drawing, and how to present your drawing to the best. Because it's not important to it's only not important to draw good. It's important to make it more and more presentable. So if your sheet is not balanced, if your assignments are not good, if your assignments are not aesthetically appealing, it's not at all going to work. So what we'll have to do is, first of all, you'll have to take a sheet, and when we have a sheet in hand, you'll have to have a margin here. So a margin should have not less than 1 inch on a sheet. Keep enough margin. These margins are going to give you a complete space for breathing, that we call it as breathing space. So this breathing space gives a soothing effect to your eyes, because when you draw something here, it tends to jump out. So what we need to do is, we need to make sure that we have a complete margin, that is breathing space, and then we start drawing in this space. This is very important. So if you remember one of my videos initially, I was talking about your name. For example, let's say Suraj Kumar. This is a topic of balancing of sheet, page number 3. And in the end, I'll add when did I start and when did I finish. If not that, I'll write that I took 10 minutes to work on this sheet. So my next practice sheet, when it comes, post having all this breathing space and everything, the next topic would come, and the sheet number is 4. And again the next topic comes, it becomes sheet number 5. Regardless of how good the sheet is, how smartly we are drawing, what we'll do is we'll keep on adding page numbers, and we'll keep on making it very, very trackable. So now what I'll do is, I'll try to give one example with drawing one object, and I'll show you comparison of what is good and what is bad. Yes, bad, I'm using that word. It is bad. For anything that is talking about design, you'll have to have a good understanding of the comparative degree of what is good and what is bad. Everyone knows that there is something that's not good, but it's only the designer who understands that why it is not looking good. You need to understand. Designer has a full responsibility and sense of understanding that why things are not looking good. So let's say this is A sheet and this is B sheet, right? Now I am taking a margin here. I'm not going to utilize this space, right? Now I'm drawing. Let's say I have to draw a cup, glass, or a plate. So in this video, I'm just trying to draw, but I'm not trying to draw and explain how you do the ratio and proportion. That's a completely different topic. I'll come with a topic where I'll be talking about the ratio and proportion of objects that we are drawing on the sheet. So this is one of a kind of introduction to it, but not that topic. So if I draw, let's say I am supposed to draw a glass. So what I do is, I am drawing a glass. On this sheet, I am drawing a glass like this. So let's say I am drawing a glass like this. It's still good, but for, let's say, if I'm not talking about any breathing space, and generally we try to use the complete sheet in the glass. Now, there are 3 different things and the mistakes that I have committed during this. A, This sheet looks very, very balanced and organized because this was planned. I knew that my glass is going to come here in between this space that I created. But when I was drawing this glass, I never knew that if it would end here, it goes here, or it goes out here. It's not planned. So this is the sheet B was unplanned and sheet A was totally planned. So what I'm trying to tell is, whenever you take a sheet, you have margin, you have planning, you have name. So yes, the nomenclature concept, the Suraj Kumar, I took 3 minutes, my page number, my topic, everything should be here. Imagine in 1 year you are having 1200, 1500, or 2000 sheets with you, each and every sheet numbered, and you can keep on checking that what was that day when I was drawing this. So this helps in tracking your progress, and that is called self assessment. So if you're not having a good self assessment capability, you are not going to be a good designer. So it's very important to discard your important things that you think. You should not fall in love with your work. Try to throw it, try to discard it. Not throw it, but discard it. You have the page number, discard it. Okay, page number 5, not good. Page number 6, not good. Page number 7, not good. Page number 8, wow. Okay, but I should do better. Then you go for page number 9. And the page number 9, it comes more than wow because you already discarded wow factor. So important is, what is the wow factor you are looking for? You felt wow, or it is better than the wow you wanted to design. So that is very important aspect in design. So balancing the sheet is very important. It's very, very, very important. You have to balance anything. So this looks bad. This really looks bad. So for example, let's say if I want to draw something which is I want to draw something which is not planned. So what I'll do is I'll try to draw a cup like this, and this ends here. This space gets vacant. This is demanding something. Let's say this space. This is catching your attention. This space is looking blank. This is demanding something, and do not have anything to supply. You are not drawing anything. So this is something that would be not a good thing to design or work with. So in the end, what we do is, smart designer, what they do is, they would write some right up here, they would design something here to balance everything. So these are options that you have. It's always there. But when do you plan? You plan initially. So planning is very important before drawing the sheet, right? So I'll be using the planning techniques and these things in my every video, and those videos will make your doubt more and more clear. Apart from that, if you have any doubt, if you have any confusion on what kind of you know progress you want, or any confusion on what kind of topics you want, if you want to suggest some topic, I would be coming with the topics as well. So let's keep on continuing the preparation. Let's keep in touch. Keep calling me. My number is 9304516169, and rest is all in the link and all in the bio and everything in description. See you there. Jai Hind.